Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap Solana to SUI in Phantom Wallet. Now, if you are using Phantom Wallet in your day-to-day life, you already know that now you can buy SUI-based meme coins in your Phantom Wallet very easily because they are actually testing SUI network in the Phantom Wallet. So you must be wondering whether you can swap from Solana to SUI in the Phantom Wallet. So in order to check it out, you need to tap on the swap option, and here once you tap on this drop down menu, you are going to see SUI network. However, once you tap on it, it won't show you any of the existing tokens on SUI, as well as it is not going to show you a SUI token as well. So here we found our answer that you cannot actually swap Solana to SUI in the Phantom Wallet as of right now. So in this situation, what you can do is you can simply use any other bridging websites like Portal. So you can get access to Portal with the help of the Phantom Wallet application. So here you need to tap on this browser icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here in the search bar you need to simply search for Portal. Now once you type Portal, it will automatically redirect you on the portalbridge.com, where you need to first of all connect your Phantom Wallet, and then you just have to simply tap on the select network, and here you need to search for SUI. Now as you can see that SUI is available, so you need to select SUI and then select SUI as a token. After that, in the to section you just have to select SOL, and then you need to select in the token as SOL. And now since you want to swap from Solana to SUI, so you need to tap on this arrow icon so that it would be correct like this. Now again you need to tap on the connect option and select Phantom Wallet, and you need to connect your Phantom Wallet with it. After that, you just have to enter the amount, and then you can enable this transaction. This way you will be able to swap from Solana to SUI in Phantom Wallet. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.